Welcome. This is how to undervolt CPU Acer Predator Helios 300. So guys, if you don't know, undervolting lowers CPU voltage to reduce heat and improve performance stability without losing speed. So to do this, you have to download Intel XTU or Throttlestop. So guys, note some BIOS update may block undervolting. So to reduce core voltage in XTU or throttle stop, find core voltage offset. So start with negative 0.050 volts and apply the changes. And after that, you could do a stress test. So run a CPU stress test or a heavy game for at least 15 minutes. And if it's stable, lower further in negative 0.010 volts steps until you find the sweet spot. And after that, in throttle stop, check save voltages and set it to launch at startup. And now you can just simply go ahead and use HW monitor or MSI afterburner to track CPU temperature because a good undervolt usually drops the temperature by 5 to 15 C.